Hello everyone, so we are just back from Samsung's Unpacked event here in San Jose, California, in which the company unveiled its latest flagship smartphones, the Galaxy S25 series. Now, as expected, Samsung unveiled three new smartphones, the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and their top tier S25 Ultra, which we have here right now. So let's go take a closer look at this and unbox it. Okay, so we still have Samsung's typical boxing. There's your device right there. And over in this compartment, we should have the USB-C power cable right there. And other than that, that's it. Now, if you've been keeping score, Samsung's design really hasn't changed much over the past few years. With the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the only giveaways that you're holding your latest device are the slightly rounder corners right there. And if you really have keen eyes, the rings around the camera lenses are bigger as well, and the bezels up front are about 15% smaller compared to the S24 Ultra. Now, we also have to mention that the S25 Ultra screen has been bumped up slightly to 6.9 inches from 6.8 inches on the S24 Ultra. And also, all the S25 devices are running on Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which is powering Samsung's AI offerings on the devices. Now, that's about it for the hardware, as Samsung has chosen to focus more on AI. They have partnered with Google to bring Google's Gemini advanced platform to the S25 devices, even offering 6 months of it for free. And that's exactly what we're going to focus on in our review, whether Samsung's AI offerings are good as advertised.